If you want to quickly check the security of your Grammarly account, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. Whether you're concerned about a suspicious login, want to confirm your email is verified, or just want to make sure your account is protected with two-step verification, you're in the right place. And if this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. First, sign in to your Grammarly account by going to grammarly.com. Once you're logged in, make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple email addresses or browser profiles. After that, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Account. This section is where Grammarly keeps your profile and security-related settings. Next, select Security or Security Hub, depending on what your account shows. Grammarly may label this section slightly differently, but the goal is the same. This is where you can review the safety of your account and check for anything unusual. Now, take a look at your devices. This is where Grammarly shows your active logins and connected devices. Review each one carefully and look for anything you do not recognize. If you see a device, location, or session that looks suspicious, that could mean someone else has access to your account. In that case, you should take action right away by signing out of unknown sessions and updating your password. After that, check your email verification status. A verified email helps ensure you can recover your account and receive important security alerts from Grammarly. If your email is not verified, follow the prompts to complete the verification process as soon as possible. Then click two-step verification. This is one of the most important security settings because it adds an extra layer of protection beyond your password. Here, you can view your current multi-factor authentication status and update it if needed. If two-step verification is turned off, it is highly recommended that you enable it for better account security. Finally, review your recent account activity logs. Look through the history for any unauthorized changes, unfamiliar edits, password updates, or strange login behavior. If anything looks off, secure your account immediately by changing your password and checking all connected devices. That's the full process for checking the security of your Grammarly account. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a huge difference in protecting your writing, your settings, and your personal information. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.